oh, it has to be making 20 grand a month. No one's got to be selling it. It's got to have two reviews. Tell me the perfect product. Well, guys, there's two products, right? There's either products that are making money or products that are not making money. There's no such thing really as the perfect product. It's the ones that are making money, and you really want to have more of the ones that are making money. And I call them like little soldiers. It's kind of like your products are your soldiers. The more soldiers you have out there working for you, the more money you make. It's kind of like little streams of income, right? You know, and that's kind of what you want. And when you get started with Amazon, you really want to keep it really simple in terms of your product. And you don't want to, and I'm going to go through exactly what you look for, and you've probably heard it before on the conference calls, and you've probably seen it in the members area. You keep it really basic, really simple, so non-techie sort of stuff. Here's an example. The money hook. Has anyone seen these particular products before? If you've got babies, or you've got a pram or a stroller, these are the particular hooks that you attach to the stroller. You can carry anything. You can carry your shopping on the way home, or to pick up your kids. You can attach your handbag to it. You can attach anything you want to it, right? Really basic product. Now, is that battery operated? Yes or no? No. Is it something that's going to explode in a baby's face and cause you guys $1 million in a court of law? No. It's really basic. It's really simple. Here are some of the figures on this particular product, right? So this is actually the US store. And a lot of this stuff is, you can see the figures here, you've got reviews, right? And very basic product. This is when I say keep it simple with your first product. Learn the process of getting something on Amazon, learn exactly how to do the research, how to connect with the supplier, how to get the best price, then jump it on Amazon, learn the process to selling and doing PPC, which I'll cover tomorrow, a little bit more in terms of advertising, if you want to do advertising, right? But learn the process with a simple product. And you still got to make money, right? You're not going to sell bells and break even or lose money. You still want to make money on your first product, but learn the process to doing it. Here's another product, right? These are like just for swing sets, right? It's the bolt on top of the swing set that holds the swing to the wood or the bar at the top, right? Very basic product. As you can sort of see here, these are the numbers that they're doing. 13,000 in terms of revenue, right? They're doing pretty decent numbers. Yes or yes? Yes. Is it a basic product? Yes. This is the product right here. It's called OzKit, right? This is one product I'm looking at right now. Now, it's not just a boring bolt like this, right? They've actually done it quite nice. You've got a little box there. They've done customized packaging, right? The images are actually quite nice here. They've labeled the actual product, right? It's a decent looking product, and that's what you got to do. You got to make your product sexy, because sexy sells. Write that down. Sexy sells. Image is everything, and this is why you want to spend a bit of time sometimes getting a graphic designer. I'll talk about that. I think today I'm talking about that. Hiring people on other sites and outsourcing your images to make them pop, to make them look like $1 million image, because image really does sell.